Hi guys, we are back again with the last Sudoku in this additional with extra puzzles of today's newspaper of, yes, Saturday, September the 19th, the last one, Tectonic number 2. And this one will be number, let me see, number 1575, yes. Alright, so let's get started. Let me pull this up. Yes. No. Center this. Let's get started. And I see here the single box. Single box is always a 1. Do we have a dual box? Yes, dual box. The 1 and the 2. We see here 1, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 2 goes there. We see here 3, that means those 4 boxes surround the 3 cannot be a 3. 1 box left for the 3 should be there. These 2 boxes cannot be a 1, so the 1 could be here or there. That means this quadrat box, I cannot place a 1 here, otherwise I cannot fill any 1 in one of those 2 boxes, so 1 box left for the 1 should be here. These 3 boxes cannot be a 2, so 1 box left for the 2 should be here. These 3 boxes surround the 3 cannot be a 3, so the 3 could be here or could be there. Then this box cannot be a 1, cannot be a 2, cannot be a 3, because if I place a 1, those 3 boxes, I need a 1, so I cannot place a 1 anymore. So 1, 2, and 3 cannot be, so it's 4 or 5, this one. 4 or 5. These 3 boxes surround the 4 cannot be a 4, so 1 box left for the 4 should be here. This box cannot be a 4. Those 2 boxes cannot be a 4, so 1 box left for the 4 should be here. This box cannot be a 4. That box cannot be a 4, so 1 box left. Oh, 2 boxes. Correction. Here 4, there 4. These 2 boxes cannot be a 4. Oh, no. Let me do this another way. Those 2 boxes in this quarter box, the 1 and the 2 are left. These 2 boxes cannot be a 3, so the 3 could be here, could be there. Yeah. These 2 boxes cannot be a 1, because we have a 1 in one of those 2 boxes, so I cannot place a 1 in these 2 boxes. Those 2 boxes cannot also be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 should be there. These 2 boxes cannot be a 2, so the 2 goes in those 2 boxes. We have a 2 here, so this cannot be a 2, so 1 box left for the 2 should be here. Now we have a 2 here, that means those 3 boxes cannot be a 2, so 1 box left for the 2 should be here. 1, 2, 3, this must be a 4, it's a quadrat box. Those 2 boxes cannot be a 4, so 1 box left for the 4 should be here. The 1 and the 3 are left. No, 1 and the 5 are left. We have a 1 now, so this should be the 1. This should be the 5. Then 4 4 5 5 3 3. Yes, this box cannot be a 1, cannot be a 2, cannot be a 3, cannot be a 4, so it must be a 5. So the 4 and the 3 are left. Let me mark them. 4 and a 3, 4 and a 3. Yeah, where's the opening? The opening. One. The opening. 3. 3. 3, 3, 3. Yeah. This box cannot be a 3, cannot be a 4, cannot be 5, so it's a 1 or 2. 2. That means that these two boxes cannot be a 1. That box cannot be a 1 because we have a pair here, 1. So the 1 could be here or there. No 2 here, no 2 there. Well. This box can be a 2, so the 2 goes in these two boxes. This box cannot be a 1, cannot be a 2, cannot be a 3, cannot be a 5. So one digit left, the 4. Yes. So now we have a 4 here. Those two boxes cannot be 4, so one box left for the 4 should be here. Now we have a 4 here, so this is going to be a 4. This should be the 4. And this should be a 3. 2 and a 5 are left. Let me mark them. This box cannot be a 3, so the 3 goes in those two boxes. This box cannot be a 1, cannot be a 3, cannot be a 4, so it's 2 or 5. This box cannot be a 1, cannot be a 2, cannot be a 4, so it must be 3 or 5. Those two boxes cannot be a 4, so one box left for the 4 should be here. Alright. That means these 3 boxes surrounding 4 cannot be a 4, so one box left for the 4 should be here. That means these 4 boxes surrounding 4 cannot be a 4, one box left for the 4 should be there. This box cannot be a 4, so 2 boxes left for the 4 here or there. This box cannot be a 1, so the 1 goes in those 2 boxes. Three or 5, so the 1 could be here, and there the 1 is left. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 or 5 is this box. This box. This box gonna be a 1, so the 1 goes in these two boxes. I think I need to use another color. Maybe write the numbers larger. The light is... yeah, maybe. Yeah. Maybe. Oh. Alright. This box gonna be a 3. That box gonna be a 3. So 1 box left for the 3 should be here. The 2 and the 1 are left. 1 and a 2. 1 and a 2. We have also 1 and 2 there. 1 and a 2 there. This box gonna be a 3, gonna be a 4, gonna be a 5. So it's a 1 or 2. These two boxes can be a 4. That box can be a 4. So the 4 could be here or could be there. Same with the 3. This box can be a 3. That box can be a 3. This box can be a 3. So the 3 goes together with the 4 as a pair. And I've eliminated the 1. Is that so? Yeah. I cannot place the 1 here because I need a 1 in one of those two boxes. This box can be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 should be here. The 2 and the 5 are left. 2 and a 5. Two and a 5, yeah. Light. I have some reflection. Maybe I use a pencil. Yeah. Alright. That means those two boxes cannot be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 should be here. We have a 1 here, so this cannot be a 1 anymore, this should be a 2. Now we have a 2 here, so this cannot be a 2 anymore, this should be a 1 and this should be a 2. We have now a 1 there, so this cannot be a 1, this should be a 2. And this should be a 1. Now we have a 2 here, so this cannot be a 2 anymore, this should be a 1. The 2 and the 3 are left. 2 and a 5. 2 and a 5. Now we have a 2 here. So this box is gonna be a 2. So this box cannot be a 1, cannot be a 2, cannot be a 3, cannot be a 4. So it must be a 5. The 3 and the 4 are left. No, the 3 and the 4 is a pair here, so this box should be a 2. Now we have a 2 here, so this can be a 2. This should be a 2, and this should be a 5. Now we have a 2 here, so this can be a 2. This should be the 2, and this should be a 3. The 3 and the 4, that means this box cannot be a 3, otherwise I cannot fill any 3 in those two boxes. So it must be a 5. 2 boxes left, the 1 and the 3. 1 and the 3. I've told you earlier I cannot place a 3 here, otherwise I cannot fill any 3 in one of those two boxes. So this should be a 1, this should be a 3. So now we have a 3 here, so this box cannot be a 3, this box cannot be a 1, so the 1 and the 3 goes in those two boxes. So I have eliminated the 5. So one box left for the 5 should be here. These two boxes cannot be a 5, so one box left for the 5 should be there. This box cannot be a 1, so one box left for the 1 should be here. One box left for the 4. Those two boxes, 1 and a 3. That means this box, oh, we have a 3 here, so this can be a 3, this should be the 3, and this should be a 1. That means these 3 boxes cannot be a 3. That box cannot be a 3. So one box left for the 3 should be here. These two boxes cannot be a 3. So one box left for the 3 should be here. The 1 and the 2 are left. Let me mark them. 1 and a 2, 1 and a 2. 4 and a 5, 4 and a 5. Let me mark them. 4 and a 5. That means these two boxes cannot be a 1. One box left for the 1 should be here. The 2 and the 5 are left. We have a 5 here, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Now we have a 2 here, so this cannot be a 2 anymore. This should be the 2, and this should be a 1. These two boxes cannot be a 2. That box cannot be a 2, so one box left for the 2 should be here. We have a 5 here, so this box cannot be a 5 anymore. This should be a 4, and this should be a 5. We have a 5 here, those two boxes cannot be a 5. One box left for the 5 should be here. The 1 and the 4 are left. We have a 4 here, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 1 goes there. Now we have a 4 here, so this box cannot be a 4 anymore. This should be the 4, and this should be a 3. Then these two boxes cannot be a 3. That box cannot be a 3. So one box left for the 3 should be here. Then this box should be a 5 because it cannot be a 1, cannot be a 2, cannot be a 3, cannot be a 4. Definitely a 5. 1 and a 2 are left. 1 and a 2. We have a 2 here, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 1 goes there. Finished in 17 minutes, quicker than the previous Tectonic. I like this one. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. Don't forget, only if you like, only if you want, to subscribe and hit that bell button or bell icon to be notified by YouTube when I upload a new Sudokus to my channel. Thank you again for watching. Take care, stay healthy, and keep on puzzling. Have a great weekend. See you on Monday. Bye bye.